Welcome to our Linvio Events tutorial video series. In this video, we will walk you through the basic setup of a seminar event and demonstrate the registration process from the perspective of an event attendee. A seminar event is one of several event types supported in Linvio Events, used for seminars, panel discussions, networking events, and other events that do not require assigned seating or sessions. These support speakers, exhibitors, sponsors, and attendees. To create a new seminar, you have several options. Click New Event on the Special Events tab, clone an existing event record using the Copy Event Wizard, or drag and drop on the Special Events calendar page. The drag and drop option is the fastest option if you're starting from scratch, so we'll use that approach. Select the Event Calendar tab in Salesforce and find the type of event you want to create from the left-hand panel. In this case, we'll select New Seminar and drop it on the date of the event. Linvio Events will create a new special event record with just basic information on it. If you change it to day or week view on the calendar, you can also adjust the duration of the event. Click the name of the event on the calendar to open the event and to start adding your specific event details. Let's set the name and description of the event and check the Include in Calendar checkbox so that the event registration page and calendar will display that information to site visitors. We'll set the event time zone to Mountain Standard Time since this event is going to be held in Colorado. Setting the time zone controls the appearance of the date on the event registration page, so registrants will see that time zone instead of the time zone of the Salesforce user administering the event. Since we need to accept a payment for registration, we also need to set a processor connection and the currency of payments we want to accept. And we have to add at least one event fee record to the event, which specifies the amount to charge for each attendee type. For this seminar, we've added two, a general admission fee and a VIP pass event fee. We'd like to present event passes online so that attendees can bring printed passes to the event for scanned admission to the event, so we'll check the Present Passes Online checkbox. For this event, we're also planning to give away a free t-shirt, so we need to collect the shirt size of each attendee. This is configured using a custom field mapping. Click New Custom Field Mapping, set the field label to shirt size, set the Maps to object to attendee, select a pick list field mapping type, and set the pick list options to small, medium, large, and extra large. Save that new record, and then set the Maps to field using the field mapping widget on the field mapping detail page. Let's go back to the event record and add a few more details before we publish it. Set the venue name and address fields so the registration page can display a map to the event. Edit the landing page HTML and add some drag and drop pre-built HTML content. And add an agenda for the seminar for attendees to view prior to the event. There are configuration options supporting product upsell, donations, and a wide range of other event registration features. However, this should be good enough to start taking online registrations. We'll set the status of the event to published so that it will display on the site's website for this Salesforce account. Now that the event has been configured and published to the web, let's take a look at the registration landing page from the perspective of the attendee. Here's our first page with the summary, the interactive map that we specified the address for previously, the agenda that we set, and the registration page. We'll go ahead and select a general admission fee and fill in our contact details. And you can see our custom field with the shirt size mapping is displayed. Click the Register button. Once clicked, that now redirects us to our site checkout page. Enter our credit card information and submit the payment. That will submit the payment over to the payment processor you have configured via Payment Connect. When that's completed, we now have our transaction details, and it shows that it is a completed transaction. When we click the Finish button, that will redirect us to the event confirmation page where we have our QR code displayed. Let's fast forward to the day of the event now. Multiple attendees have registered and paid online, providing us with their contact information and registration preferences. The attendees have been given event passes to print and bring with them to the event, but just in case they forgot their passes, we're going to print an attendee list with QR codes so we can scan them quickly to check in each attendee. Go to the Custom Links section and click the Print Check-in Sheet Custom Link. Select the information you want to display on the check-in sheet. For anybody that's registered and is an attendee, we'll also check to show their QR codes, and click the Build Check-in List PDF. You can print this page and take it with you to the event. We also want to print badges for the attendees on standard Avery name badge insert refill paper. Click the Create Attendee Badges custom link. Select the page layout matching your Avery badge insert format. Click Create Attendee Badges to generate the PDF document. At the event, you can now use a mobile device with a QR code reader application to scan each attendee pass or find them on your check-in sheet and update the attended checkboxes in Salesforce in real time. Standard Salesforce workflow rules can then be used to automatically send thank you for attending emails to each attendee who actually showed up to each event. After the event, you can also sync attendees with campaign membership for follow-on email blasts and future event invite lists. Use Salesforce to report and analyze event attendance, registration revenue, and other event management metrics, and use the quick cloning feature in Events to prepare for the next event in the series.